It's draw time! We're drawing a colourful rainbow cupcake. Grab your favourite snack, relax, and enjoy our cupcake drawing. Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today, you get to watch me draw a super colourful, super yummy looking cupcake with a cute berry on top. And it's going to be so much fun to see it come to life. This cupcake is bright, happy and colourful like a rainbow. And it's sure to make you smile. Let's draw a wafer stick here so our cupcake will look more delicious. Don't forget the stripes. Ha 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 ha. Stripes, stripes, wow. Next, let's draw the cupcake's body. And of course, the eyes and mouth. So our cupcake looks more adorable. And after that, the cupcake's heart. Our cupcake line art is done. All the lines and shapes perfectly drawn.
Wow!
Let's thicken the lines of our cupcake. Look how it pops and becomes even more awesome. Wow, every line is getting bolder and so much fun to watch. Can you see all the shapes clearly now? Whoa, look, our cupcake is so colourful. This is so cool, ha 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 ha, I love it. It's colouring time. This part is so much fun. I'm so excited. Colour red. Let's start colouring the berry on top with colour red. I love how this little berry pops and makes our cupcake even happier. It's looking so yummy already. I love how it sits right on top like the cherry on a crown.
Wow!
Red and cheerful. Can you see it popping right on top? Colouring is so much fun. Colour orange. All right, my sweet little artists, are you ready? Let's start with orange. Can you say, orange?
Wow!
Good job, ha 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 ha. I'm colouring this layer orange because it looks like a yummy orange candy. Colour yellow. Now it's time for yellow. Yellow is such a happy colour. Let's give this cupcake a sunshine yellow stripe.
Wow!
Do you know something funny?
Wow!
Yellow reminds me of bananas that go boop when you peel them. Can you say boop? Boop, ha ha ha. This cupcake is getting happier and happier. I think the cupcake's dream is to float on a rainbow cloud.
Wow!
Colour green. Next colour is green. Green like grass, green like frogs, green like broccoli. Do you like broccoli? Me too, ha 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 ha. Let's colour this layer green so the cupcake looks super fresh. Everybody say, green like a silly frog.
Wow!
Ribbit, ribbit, green. You're doing amazing. Good job, my little friends. Ha 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 ha. Did you know cupcakes can be super creative? You can use all kinds of colours, sprinkles, or little candy decorations. Colour blue.
Wow!
Okay, my tiny artists, now we use blue. Blue like the sky, blue like the ocean. Blue like a blueberry doing a dance. Do, do, do! Ha 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 ha! Can you wiggle like a blueberry?
Wow!
Wiggle, wiggle! I love this blue stripe. It looks so cool and comfy, like the cupcake is wearing a soft blanket. When I finish, the cupcake might do a happy little wiggle to say, "Yay, we did it!" Color pink. Time for some pink. Pink is such a cute color.
Wow!
Pink like cotton candy, or pink like a little piggy going oink oink. Can you say oink? Oink. Ha 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 ha. Good job, little friend.
Wow!
Let's color this layer pink and make our cupcake super adorable. If you love pink, give me a big pretend hug. Whoa, that's so sweet. Thank you. When the cupcake looks this colorful, I feel like it's extra happy. Just for you.
Wow!
Color violet. And now color violet. Or you can say purple. Purple is the color of magic grapes. Let's make this stripe extra magical. Do you know a fun fact? Purple used to be the color of kings and queens. So, this cupcake is basically a cupcake king.
Wow!
That's so cool. Cupcakes are like little cakes made especially for sharing or celebrating. But they're just your perfect tiny cake friend.
Wow!
When I'm done coloring, the cupcake might say, "Thank you, friend, for making me so pretty." Are you enjoying watching our cupcake drawing, my little friends? I hope so, because I'm happy to draw for all of you. Can you show me your biggest happy smile? Just like the cupcake is smiling. Wow, that's a beautiful smile. If this cupcake could grant one wish, what do you think it would be? Maybe it would wish that every child could have a beautiful cupcake. Raise your hand if you think the cupcake is super cute right now.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Look at the wafer sticks and berry. They're dancing. I'm sure that they're so happy. How many cupcakes can you eat in one day? Maybe 3, if they're small and delicious. If the heart at the bottom could talk, it'd giggle and say, "Thank you for coloring me." Okay, my little artists, guess what we're coloring now? Look right here at the bottom of the cupcake. Do you see that shape? It's a heart. Oh, this cupcake has a little heart tummy. That is just the cutest thing ever. Now it's time for the wafer sticks. Let's color it pink and brown, so it looks so delicious, like a strawberry and chocolate flavor. Wow! Color brown. This is the final color of our amazing cupcake. And I'm so excited to see how our cupcake drawing will turn out. Here it is! It's almost finished. Are you excited? Ha 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 ha!
Wow!
And ta-da! We did it, my little friends. Our cupcake is all colorful and happy. Thank you for coloring with me. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cute art time together. See you next time, little friends.